Hello, this is the second video for the shop. Right now we have three categories of products set up. Coffee, tea, and accessories. So let's go ahead and click on coffee. And this is a couple of the sample items we set up here. So if we click on more information, you will see the current promotion running. Here it is. And the options for your pricing and for sizes, etc. So let's go ahead and click on purchase. Let's go ahead and do one. This cart is only able to handle one size at a time. So you cannot order two sizes at once. You have to order one, put it in your shopping bag, and then order another one. And that's how most of the shopping carts work. We unfortunately could not find one that will do basically two orders at the same time. So if you select, say, 2 bags here, the 1 pound bag will automatically go back to 0. So you have to choose one or the other. So let's go ahead and pick one. Click on add to cart. Now this is what your cart looks like. I've been testing some things, and you can definitely remove it or update your quantity if your customer changes their mind about the size of their order. They can definitely select that. And this price changes. This is just there for a sample. Also, you can estimate your shipping here by entering your zip code. And if you ever create a promotion where you give out a promotional code, people can always enter it here. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and remove this one and this one. And then click on proceed to checkout. So this is your checkout screen. Here you can create your login to create an account where all of your payment information will be saved along with your billing information. Fill out all of this information below. You can also check PayPal Business or PayPal Pro, so whatever option your customer chooses. You can rename these, and I'll show you how to do this. So you can tell them PayPal or say credit card. So whenever they pick PayPal Pro, it will give an option to insert the credit card information. So after submitting all of this information, you just click on submit order and then confirm it one more time, and your order will be placed. Now your shipping options, right now we only have one shipping option set up, but once you set up several, say maybe it's an expedient shipping, standard shipping, or some other shipping, the customer will be able to choose which shipping they want to select. So once your order is placed, you can view your orders in the screen right here. And here's some of my orders that I've been playing around with. If you click on the order number, you'll be able to see more options. So you'll see my billing and shipping address. You can send a shipment notice when you send out the actual item. You can add a note if you needed to. And also, you have to mark your order as completed, so your customer gets an email that your orders are no longer in their login. When they go to login, they have an option to see the status of their order, and that order will be marked as completed instead of pending. So let's go ahead and do send shipment notice. So whatever email address I entered on my order form, that's where this email is going to go. And if you wanted to provide a tracking number for any of these services, you can answer this in here and then send shipping notice. So now you have an icon here that says shipped, and as you see here, you still have one order that's pending, and you can go ahead and mark it as completed by checking the box and click complete, update. And there you go. So your order is no longer pending. And these are the orders that have been paid and shipped. So very easy to do. If you ever needed to delete the order, if you don't want to keep it, as your orders maybe grow, order list may be growing and growing, you might want to delete some of the orders. Now again, your customer information goes in here. If you click on the name, you will see some of the basic setup, shipping, billing information, some of the profile. This is the screen to change their login. I would not do it. The customer has the ability to change their own password if they needed to through their account login. And also, the customer, when they place an order, they can select whether or not they want to be contacted for promotional email and updates. And that status shows up in here. So this is how you handle the orders in your catalog. All you have to do to set up a new item is click on Add New, give it a name, and first thing you have to do is select the category. By selecting this category, it prompts the system to pull up the fields that are necessary to fill out certain information for that specific item. So if we click on coffee, it will automatically populate all of these fields that you have to fill out to make sure that the right information shows up on your live site, which would be right over here. It populates the flag, the country, all of this information. So these are the links that you have to click through and fill out what you need. Product images. Since for coffee we're not using product images, you don't have to worry about this, but this field is here for tea and accessories. Also, you set up your price right here for pound, half pound. And in addition, you have to check this add-ons button that will create an additional menu here where you can select your options for the grind, which is the whole bean, the drip cone, etc. So that's very easy to do, and once you're done, you can select some of the tags. The tags are important because that's how your related items are generated. So let's go ahead and click on more information. Right here you have some of the items that show you might also like, and those are generated based on tags. So when you have common tags between items, they will automatically be populated into the related fields. So once you're done, you can save your product and refresh your page, and it will automatically show up in your shop. So remember, the first thing to do is always to make sure that you select the category before you start filling out any other fields. That way you don't have to worry about missing information, and the system will automatically populate all of the options for you. And that covers shop. Please feel free to contact us. If you have any other questions, we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks.